Hey everybody, so I got a quick electronic haul for the GoPro from Walmart, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so everything I picked up from Walmart earlier today, I would have grabbed these online for cheaper. Probably would have just went with the, Amazon special. Wouldn't have gotten the GoPro ones, but all of these that I have had, whether they were GoPro or these Chinese cheap ones from Amazon, the cheap ones from Amazon take longer to break, but you can see right here one of the wings broke off. It's these pieces right here. And I don't have any more of them, but it fractured in the center, piece popped out. What always break first are these wings right here that actually quick slide into the camera mount, which I can show you guys real quick. This mount right here. Never had an issue with this piece. It's just always these right here that break. And they break quite often. This one's nice and tight inside this. This one I have on the camera is really loose. But it's just gonna have to do for now. I needed some of these. I couldn't wait for Amazon, so I picked up a couple boxes. These were $19 a box. I don't necessarily need these mounts or the screws, but it does come with 2 GoPro mounts and then 2 of, I think, both sticky mounts. I will unbox these in a different video. But and then I picked up a swivel mount. This was only $9. And then I picked up this helmet front and side mount, which also has a swivel mount in it, for 30 bucks. And then I got 2 of these for 20 a piece. It's like $19 even, I think. And then I picked up a 4 flat which these are new. These are actually easy remove. You can literally grab it from here and pull it. But I need to do some rewiring on the 4Runner because the 4 flat is having issues. I will probably be doing a diagnosis on that. I'm not sure if it's this or if it's the actual trailer system, the module box. I don't remember the name of it right now, but I picked up just an extra wire for now, and then I picked up a male to a female extension. I figured if I do not want to use this particular head because it's too big to fit where I want it, I can always just cut the trailer side off of this wire harness, and make it short and just put extra wire on it later. I don't know when I'm going to do that, but I got them. I don't know if I'm going to shoot a video on it. You guys can let me know if you guys want to see a video on me rewiring trailer harness for a 2000 Toyota 4Runner. If somebody wants to see that, let me know. But it was like 90 bucks out the door, I think is what I spent. It's 20, 40, 71, yeah, 80, 82. It was nice, 79 to $80 for these, and then these 2 was $4 and $5. So it was like 97 bucks, something like that. They're on 2 different receipts. 71.82 and for the GoPro stuff. And then 21 on this receipt because one of the items on this was a GoPro. So the 80, 90, $92. But please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And oh, by the way, I've had these Amazon ones last, 1 or 2 of them because one on each camera. I've had this one on the camera I'm holding right now. I've had it on that camera for about a year and a half now, and it finally broke. For whatever reason, I've had these GoPro ones with the little rubber splits that keep the legs spread open. Those seem to break faster. I don't know what it is, but the GoPro accessories, when it comes to these like quick mount accessories, they don't last me any longer than like 2 to 3 weeks, 4 weeks maybe, a couple months max. Where I've had the Chinese one, cheap Chinese ones from Amazon last me over a year and a half. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that jazz. Like, comments, criticisms, and everything down below. And see you guys on the next video. Peace.